Hey everyone, welcome back to Paul's Cube. Today we're going to do some chicken fingers, chicken strips, whatever you want to say, however you want to say it. The kids asked for some, so I said, sure, why not? I'd rather make them than buy them at the store. Well, before we get into this, hit the subscribe button if you're interested in seeing more stuff like this. It's a little cold right now, so I don't want to go outside and do anything on the grill. So we'll stay inside today. Let's see what we got going on. Oh, here's what we got. Boneless, skinless chicken breast. Nothing unusual there. And trim off some fat. Those won't make for good pieces. Just like so. Get rid of any excess fat you don't want, or leave it. It's up to you. If you're making them for yourself, you're making them for yourself. We don't like the fat too much, so that's why I trim off what I can. Just clean it up however you want. Whatever pieces you feel you don't want, just take them off. Just like I'm doing. Okay, that looks good. So now what I like to do is take it, cut them in half. That way they're not super big. That's it. Then just cut some strips out of it. Look, she broke apart. One. Two. You get the idea. I'll finish cutting this one up, and then I'll cut the rest of them up off camera. I don't want to bore everybody with that. Cut them however you want, whatever thickness you'd like. If you didn't want to butterfly the breast in half, you don't have to. It's just the way I like doing it. Doesn't mean that's the way you like doing it. I'll leave that one the way it is. Well, that's it. Let me get the rest of these done, and I'll show you what the next step is. Okay, chicken's all sliced up into strips. Finger strips. We got flour, breadcrumb, salt, pepper, eggs. Well, we're going to make an egg wash. Then we're going to season up the breadcrumb mixture. I might season up the flour mixture as well. Not sure yet. Basically, we're going to take chicken, dip it in the flour, flour to egg to the breadcrumb, and that's about it. Let me get everything mixed up and ready to go, and we'll pick up back then. Okay, so here's what we got. Flour here, which I've added salt and pepper to it and mixed it up. Egg wash, just egg. A little bit of milk too I put in the egg. Nothing special. Do it however you want. If you just want egg, put egg. If you want milk, put milk too. Breadcrumb, seasoned with salt and pepper as well. That's it. We're going to take some chicken, put it in the flour mixture. Then we're going to put it in the egg wash. And then from the egg wash to the breadcrumb. That's it. Chicken finger. From there, I'm just putting it on a baking sheet for now. Just the rest. Well, do another one. Small one for you guys. Flour. Egg. Breadcrumb. That's it. Done. Next. You guys get the idea? This is the way I do it. Doesn't mean this is the way you have to do it. You can do it the same way if you'd like. You don't have to. Make it your own if you're gonna. That's it. Last one. There we go. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of these all done. We'll pick back up when we're ready to fry them up. Okay, chicken strips are all breaded and ready to go. I'm just waiting for my oil to warm up and heat up. So we'll let that get going. And I've also got my broccoli and carrots going because the kids like those as well. Nothing fancy, just a quick, usual dinner for us. Well, we'll pick up in a bit. Okay, our oil should be hot enough now. Start frying some of these up. I've just got it on a medium low. Let's get some chicken fingers in there. Oh yeah, we're good. They won't take too long because they're not that big or thick. So maybe, I don't know, see maybe 2 minutes on each side. Maybe 3. Well, we'll see. We'll pick back up and we're gonna flip them over and I'll let you know how long I let them go on the one side. Okay, we've been 3 minutes on the one side. Let's flip them over. Oh yeah, look at that, nice and crispy. Now we'll let them go for 2 to 3 minutes on this side and we'll pull them out. Okay, it's been 2 minutes now. These ones are done. Then just put them on some paper towel. Just let the oil drain from them a bit. I tempt them. They're temped at 185, 190-ish, which is okay. I know a lot of you are probably saying, "Oh, it's overdone." It's all right. That's how we like it. Crunchy. Anyway, I'll finish frying up the rest of these. We'll pick back up in a bit. All right, second batch is done. As you can see. Well, we went with 2 minutes on each side for these ones. That way they're not as crispy as the last ones, which is okay. Still works. I might have forgot to mention before, but I'm frying with corn oil. Just so everybody knows. So, let me get all these finished up. I'll pick back up, slice into one, show you guys what they look like. See you guys then. Oh, there we have it. Chicken fingers. Better than store-bought. Nice and fresh. Well, I just use salt and pepper in my seasoning for my flour and my breadcrumb. Go ahead, use whatever you like. Put some rub in there. If you don't wanna, don't. Do it how you like it. These are good. Nice and juicy. Cooked very nice. Well, hit the subscribe button if you like this and you want to see more. Have more for you coming soon. Bye.